I'm going to be showing you all how to apply some contact paper on top of your vanity. The reason behind this is because my vanity is white. You guys will see in the video, but my vanity is white, and this just helps me kind of protect the top a little bit more. But this is the one that I got from Amazon. It was $12.28. So this one is the 27 by 78, if I'm not mistaken. I'll definitely be posting everything down below in the description. But yes, so I'm gonna just go ahead and hop right into this video. If you want to see how I achieve this kind of project, just keep on watching.
Okay, you guys, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping off any excess powders or any makeup that I may have on my vanity table. Next thing is we're gonna go and grab our contact paper and just go ahead and measure everything off and make sure both sides are perfectly even. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to cut both ends so they can both begin in the same area. And I'm going to be doing this in all four corners. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you a little bit of me struggling in the very beginning. I'm going to call it over my boo just so I can get an extra set of hands. Usually I like to do these projects alone, but this was just a little too hard for me. Honestly, I just wanted to point out his hand movement right here. Bon appetit. This was the most crucial part throughout this little mini project that I had going on, just because air bubbles are the biggest pain in the butt, and I'm a huge perfectionist, so this honestly took about 45 minutes. Enjoy this little scissor gliding moment. Now we're just gonna melt the corners, and this is honestly my favorite part because it was the easiest. So yeah, we're just gonna proceed on to doing the same repetitive movements throughout the rest of the video. your own do-it-yourself marble vanity top in under $20. If you guys are very impressed with the aftermath, please give me a thumbs up in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and more videos will be coming soon. Bye!